So what's up YouTube? So ito yung continuation sa ating soundproofing. Like as you can see here, ito sa likuran, bandang likuran naman tayo, hatchbox ito guys. So ang ginagawa natin dito, so ganyan lang, dito siya sa loob manggagaling pa ganyan, and then palibot dito hanggang dito, and then dito, so ganyan. So ito yun siya, weather seals, weather strip. Maganda ito guys. Actually pang ano talaga ito, pang bahay talaga ito, yung ganitong soundproofing, no? Pang bahay, but I have to use it because I'm thinking na makakatulong ito sa soundproof no. So again, wag lang nating i-drag para kakapit siya. So bawat pitas natin dito sa kanyang yellow strip, sabay push, no, para didikit siya ng maayos. So ganyan lang ang paggawa. So ganyan, firm siya na dumikit, no. So ang target nito, ang target natin dito is dito natin sa gilid yung kanyang end, mag-meet yung end to end. Ganyan. Wag dito, hindi natin i-ano dito yung kanyang end to end, dahil pagka mayroon tayong ikakarga dito talaga, sasayad talaga dito, so madali siyang ma-dislocate or masira, whatever. So kailangan dito siya magmimit sa gilid or dito banda, or whether dito banda, pero mas maganda na dito sa gilid, dahil pag dito medyo alanganin dahil sa taas kasi. So yeah, so mas maganda dito sa gilid yung mag-meet yung kanyang end to end. So itutuloy lang natin habang inaano natin dito ang baba. So ganyan na yung resulta guys. Okay, so ganyan yung resulta niya. Soundproofing ito in less than 20 euro more or less. So pagka gumawa kayo ng ganito, so kung meron kayong mas magandang idea pa ganito, mas magandang idea pa sa ganito, paki-comment nyo lang, at saka if not, share our video para mas maraming makakuha ng mga impormasyon, no? So ganito yung ating channel, share information para makatulong din tayo on how to do soundproofing on your car. Like minsan kasi nabubuisit tayo dahil sa sobrang ingay pagka nagpatakbo tayo sa highway, lalo na sa highway, sa mga M50 highway or whatever. Naiinis tayo sa sobrang ingay sa labas na i-absorb niya sa loob. So to do that, to counter that ingay or soundproof, we're gonna do soundproof on our car, like in this one here, what we are doing now. So this is totally sealed guys. So we will drive this down and we will see how the soundproofing do the effective thing on our car. So we will see. So here we go guys. Tinatry na natin i-drive yung sasakyan natin, SUV. I-drive natin sa M50 highway. We will see if we can hear loud or noise from the outside, no? On the outside. So more or less it will minimize the noise from the outside, absorbing on the inside, because what we did is the soundproofing yung ginagawa natin in less than 20 euro. So pagka meron kayong idea, whatever idea, because this is our channel, like our channel is just a sharing of ideas and creating new ideas, whatever. So yeah, so I will just share to you my ideas on how to like soundproofing your car in just a cheaper soundproofing. Like if you want to, like, you can go to the shop that doing the professional job like soundproofing or whatever, but I have a doubt that this is like if you go to the shop that doing this kind of things, it will be kind of expensive. And then you can also do like gagalingan nyo pa yung ginagawa ko. Ang sa akin lang naman is makatulong ito, sana magkaroon ng idea whatever you have. So as napansin nyo naman, hindi pa tayo sa highway, pero talagang nawawala, no, or na minimize yung ingay sa labas na maririg natin paloob. So yan guys, successful yung ating ginawa. And then yeah, in 2 minutes time we will about to hit the M50 highway, and then dyan na natin malalaman kung ano nga ba talaga ang dinadala nitong ating ito, kung effective ba ito sa soundproofing talaga. But I 100% sure na this is effective because yeah, this is like kind of weather seal that will prevent moisture, no, or cold from entering from outside to inside. So 2 minutes time we will hit the highway. So yan, tumatakbo tayo ng mga ngayon dito, speed limit, kasi hindi pa tayo sa highway. Pagka nasa highway na tayo, 100 to 120 km per hour, we will let it run. And yeah, you can hear a very quiet on the inside. There will be no sounds like you will hear from the outside because of what we did. Is this thing here, the soundproofing thing. This is like kind of spongy rubber that will, like, if you press that one, it will like kind of expand to make it sealed nga talaga. So hindi siya ordinaryo na rubber guys. Like as I said, hindi siya ordinaryo na rubber dahil pagka once na i-push na compress siya dito, mag-i-expand siya, no? I-expand. So pag expand niya, yun ang mag-sealed sa kanya, like fill up the gap. So we will see now here. So dito na tayo, magme-merge na tayo dito sa M50 highway. Maraming sasakyan dito sa nakapaligid sa atin. So magme-merge tayo, and then there is a difference talaga. Meron tayong kasinati tayong diferensya yun, no? Ang before and after na nalagyan natin ng soundproof. So this is soundproofing guys, and as you know, you can hear even that the noise is kind of minimized, or if not quiet, but it minimizes the sounds from going in, from outside to the inside. It minimizes the sounds. Like kung mayroong tumatawag sa inyo, hindi kayo mabubuisit dahil exactly maririnig nyo talaga yung pinag-uusapan ninyo, dahil nga yung ingay sa labas ng mga sasakyan, hindi nyo na maririnig, no, dahil sa soundproof na ito. So from 5 doors, 4 at the back side, side to side, 4 doors, and 1 is on the back side, which is the hatchback. So 5 doors, it's being soundproof already. So as you can hear, you cannot hear anything. Pinatay natin yung sounds para hindi tayo makapiright. So yan guys. So in less than 20 bucks itong gagawin ninyo. O kung maaari, if you can make better than me, then that's good. But you know, I'm just only creating ideas here. Yeah, because we are YouTubers. I am YouTuber, and I should have the like share information or skill, knowledge or whatever. Just a little bit sharing makes the world go round, like. And then yeah, so we are the YouTubers, we are the creator of the YouTube, and we make good new ideas. So if you can do much better than this, soundproofing in your car, write comment below on our channel, PP2 Motorworks. And thank you very much. So soundproofing works. Thank you.